Yo, everybody! Here we go, hot off the truck. This is Replica Entertainment R Case. Don't forget to subscribe to give yourself a chance to win the Nissan Super that we found in our last video. Hope you guys win it. Here we go, Replica Entertainment R Case. We just got this in when we got the basic cases in. And there's some crowd pleasers in this one, guys. Here's a top-down view. We're going to go 2x2. You can see the card backs are slightly bent on some of them, which just happens sometimes. The first two in the case, the Deadpool Chimichanga truck. They've done this a couple of times, but people love the Deadpool, so they're probably going to keep doing it. The next one in the case is one of the best cars that Hot Wheels has ever done, in my humble opinion. It's the Ghostbusters ECTO-1. Everybody loves Ghostbusters ECTO-1. Here's a nice little view of it. I love how they've painted and colored the top decals on all the electronics or whatever that is on the top of the vehicle. The next two in the box, there's something they've never done before. They've never done a Lamborghini Aventador coupe with real riders on it. This one's from the Dark Knight Rises movie. Gotta love a Lambo with real riders, guys. The next two in the case is one of the most classic movie cars of all time. Is the Back to the Future time machine. Again, this is one of our favorites. The license plate says out of time. Who doesn't love to go time travel? And then the last two cars in the case, again, are one of the most classic cars. It's the TV Series Batmobile. So there you have it, guys. There's Replica Entertainment. We'll do a top-down view. There's 10 cars in this case, so there's an even 2 sets. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck with Replica Entertainment R Case.